Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 10 power 30 by 20 power 15 is equals to what? So let's start with the today's video solution. So 10 power 30 by 20 we can write it as 2 times 10 whole power 15. Now exponent rule, x times y whole power m, we can write it as x power m times y power n. So 10 power 30 we can write it as 15 plus 15 by 2 power 15 times 10 power 15. Another exponent rule, x power m plus n, we can write it as x power m times x power n. So 10 power 15 times 10 power 15 by 2 power 15 times 10 power 15. So we can cancel out this. So what is left? 10 power 15 by 2 power 15. So another exponent rule, x power m by y power n, we can write x by y whole power n. So 10 by 2 whole power 15, that is 5 power 15. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.